Would it be wise to choose our partner based on human design concepts? Yep. I have been with my partner for many years before I found out about human design. And if let's say we were to split up right now, my next partner, I would definitely would love to see her chart before engaging in any type of activity. It depends, like if you're a generator, what do you respond to? If you're a projector, who gives you the best invitations, who gives you the best recognition? If you're a manifester, who kind of allows you to do things without resistance? And if you're a reflector, is your partner feeding you good energy? So I would definitely consider human design in relationships. I also do, like in my one-on-one readings with people, I do partner analysis where I pull up your chart and your partner's, and I can tell you where there could be friction, where you are influencing them and when they are influencing you, and where they're sensitive, where you are sensitive, where you are strong, where they are strong, what you should do together. So all those good things. Human design is best in seeing how we connect with each other through electromagnetic energy through these centers that we have. So yeah, basing your partner, yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that was helpful in some form or fashion. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. I do daily videos, daily live sessions on the Insight Timer app. If you go to the link in the description or the link up above here, you can join our Monday to Friday Q&A sessions on the Insight Timer app. It is completely free. We talk about holistic healing, psychotherapy, emotional health, mental health, the human design system, and energy work, aura and biofield. If you're having anxiety, depression, relationship problems, energy blockages, if you would like to know more about the human design system, come join us and become part of a huge, beautiful, supportive community of like-minded individuals. Join my consciousness bubble and come into this cycle of abundance with me. If you are new to human design, make sure to click the link in the description to go to my website where I have put my ebook called Initiation into Human Design, How to Get Started. It is a guide for people who are new to human design, who would like to learn more but don't know where to start. It's a step-by-step program, completely free for you to download. The website is called icreatelines.com. You can also find it in the description or by clicking the link somewhere in the edges of this video. I want to thank you for listening, for taking this time to spread awareness for yourself, for your health. I'm a holistic therapist, holistic practitioner, human design coach, and a psychotherapist. If you would like one-on-one private sessions, therapy sessions with me, you can also find them on my website. I would like to wish everyone peace, health, and abundance, and I will see you either in the next video or on my live sessions on Insight Timer. Peace, health, and abundance.